Excuse me. Hi. Do you speak English? Yes. My name is Samuel. I'm a photographer. I take photos of people for free. I just wanted to ask you if you'd like a quick
I
free
saw you
photo.
on TikTok this morning.
Oh, you did? Yeah. Well, hello. So what do you say?
Alright,
Yeah?
let's go.
Can I show you my work? So that's me on Instagram. My name is Samuel.
Yeah?
So I just take photos of people and then I send it to them so that they can see it. It's completely free.
Okay.
Yeah? What's your name?
Ines?
Ines and
Anissé.
Adize?
Yep.
I'm Sam. Nice to meet you. So I would like to do one photo for you, and then one for you, and then one together.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Okay.
So who wants to start first?
Okay, I can start.
Yeah, you can start first. Awesome.
But
So,
wait, what do I do?
so yes, we can do it here.
Okay.
So you can stand there. So we're gonna do a portrait. So it's just gonna be a smile, okay? So can you stand a little bit like this? Yes, and just a smile, okay? Beautiful. Perfect. You? It's really quick. It's really quick. Awesome. Yeah, I like that. I like that. So like this with your back, and yes, perfect. Can you move your hair a little bit? You can put your arms like this. Yes. Perfect.
Oh, it's so cute. Ah, t'es magnifique, meuf.
C'est vous.